First off, I'm going to show you how you can create your own brand. A brand's like an identity for you and your business. Not only does it give you a sense of ownership, but a good brand connects to your prospects and buyers at an emotional level. Do you remember the last time you bought from your favorite brand? When you finally bought it, it made you feel happy and fulfilled, all because you got it from your favorite brand. That's the goal you want to achieve when establishing a brand connection to your customers. When you have your own brand, you are unique and interesting. One of the most distinctive advantages of having a brand is the ability to add value to everything you're selling. This is how you secure your customers' loyalty. What's more, it's easier for buyers to make your products viral because it's perceived as unique. Here are some ways to get your brand going. First, capture your own unique photos. This is so it's not the same as other stock photos. Any item you think resonates with your brand is unique on its own. Next is to hire a photographer for a professional picture. If you want to have high-quality photos of your products, this is one way to do it. Third, you can design your own logo to reflect your products and company. You can visit sites like logomaker.com or even canva.com. Both sites provide users the ability to create their own logo. From color schemes to objects used to symbolize your brand, you are free to choose whatever you want. Then you can put your brand mission and values on your site. The purpose of your business is important to your buyers. If what you're trying to achieve is not within their interest, they won't be so keen on buying anything from you. That's why it's best to clarify your purpose and vision. Another way to brand your business is through the color of your website. Your website should have its own distinctive design. The purpose of this is to give your online store a color identity. See how most of us remember McDonald's because of its big yellow M? Or maybe the black and white stripes of Sephora. Finally, you can give out free stuff or vouchers to your customers. Customers are more likely to buy something from you when they feel appreciated or rewarded. You can give them free stuff once they've purchased their fifth item or spend $100 in a single receipt or others of equivalent.